It is Thursday, why do I keep saying September? Tomorrow's September. Today is August 31st. It's 4:30 in the morning, so my brain's not working yet. I've got my coffee here. Right here. Yep, I got my keto coffee. A little MCT oil and cream. I didn't do any butter this time, but anyway, this face is going to be changing rapidly, so don't get used to it. Well, it is 4:30 in the morning. Super dark out. I'm exhausted from all this packing and housework and house remodeling so that I can get moved to New Mexico. But I am officially restarting my carnivore ketovore journey today. And I found out that I was selected to help out Kerry on his Carnivore Documentary. And so it's going to be an adventure. I'm going to be helping out with the heart disease section. So it's going to be exciting. It's going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot of research. I don't really know how we're going to attack this thing, but I have a meeting with my team. Well, we have to set up our meeting first, but it's going to be exciting. So I'm documenting my journey and documenting my journey for myself, and then be posting about the progress on the documentary and see how it goes. So we got 3 eggs and 5 little pork sausage patties. The little patties are pre-made and probably not the best thing for me, but I'm transitioning from a carb-heavy diet to a carnivore diet, and that's what I have for right now. So this is what we're going to do. It works for now. I will switch over eventually, probably in a week. I'll just get pure pork breakfast sausage from the butcher, and no sugar added. So this is my breakfast. It is about 5:15 in the morning, and I believe this will probably hold me over until about 10. I'll push it to 11, and then because I got to go to work today, so it'll probably I'll bring some salami or something to snack on. I'm getting off work early today, so I can come home and make myself some tuna salad or something for my midday meal. But anyway, you guys have a great day, and I will see you later.